In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a wishlist page in your Shopify store. To commence with the process, first of all, you need to visit the Shopify website. I encourage you to spend some time comfortably navigating the platform to better understand how it works. Once you've logged in, shift your attention towards the left corner of your screen and you will come across a category labeled Apps. Please click on it. After you've done this, a search bar appears. In that particular search field, type in Wishlist Plus. Now, when I say Wishlist Plus, it is not just any random reference. It is the exact app we're going to use to get our wishlist page created in our Shopify store. So, once you've input the exact term Wishlist Plus in the search bar, look for it in the drop-down results. At this juncture, click on Wishlist Plus and you will see an install button. Please proceed with a click. This command will integrate the app with your website, and just like that, you're halfway up the hill in creating your wishlist page in your Shopify store. The subsequent step is to customize the wishlist button's appearance. Now, when I talk about customizing the wishlist button, I am referring to features such as its icon, size, and matching color scheme. This will help you maintain consistency in your website's aesthetic appeal. Also, it's very important that you position the button strategically on the page, somewhere your customers can easily spot and click it. Next, make sure the newly installed app is enabled within your store's Shopify theme editor. This step is critical to ensure that all customizations and edits apply and work correctly. Once done with that, explore the advanced settings for features like social sharing or automated reminder nudge features. Such features help you craft a more interactive and engaging customer experience. The final and most crucial step is to thoroughly test this wish list functionality. How do we do that? Well, it's simple. Just add some products to your wish list and try moving them to the shopping cart. This exercise will help you verify if everything is working in perfect order. That's about it. You've done it. Now get ready to reap the benefits of